ಭಾರತೀಯ ಹವಾಮಾನ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಬಂಗಾಳಕೊಲ್ಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಯುಭಾರ ಕುಸಿತ ಉಂಟಾಗಿದೆ. ಪರಿಣಾಮವಾಗಿ ಗುಲಾಬ್ ಹೆಸರಿನ ಚಂಡಮಾರುತ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಶೀಘ್ರದಲ್ಲೇ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಒಡಿಶಾ ಕರಾವಳಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ಪಳಿಸಲಿದೆ. ಈ ಕುರಿತು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನೀಡಿರುವ ಐಎಂಡಿ ಭುವನೇಶ್ವರ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ HR ಬಿಸ್ವಾಸ್, ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಒಡಿಶಾ ಕರಾವಳಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಗುಲಾಬ್ ಚಂಡಮಾರುತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಬೀರಲಿದೆ ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಗುಲಾಬ್ ಚಂಡಮಾರುತ ಎದುರಿಸಲು ಸಕಲ ಸಿದ್ಧತೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದು, ರಕ್ಷಣಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಚರಣೆಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಸಿದ್ಧತೆ ಆರಂಭಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ.
Morning deep depression intensified into cyclonic storm at 17:30 hours IST today, and its name is Gulab, and its location is 370 km east southeast of Gopalpur, 440 km east of Kolingapatnam, and it is likely to move nearly westerly direction and likely to cross between Kolingapatnam and Gopalpur tomorrow 26th evening. And under its impact we have issued different type of warnings, that very heavy rainfall, extremely heavy rainfall warning in some districts, and wind warning on some districts, storm surge warning, port warning, fisherman warning. Every warnings already issued, and mainly southern Odisha will be affected, and Malkangiri, Koraput, Raigada, Navarangpur, Gajapati, Ganjam, Kandhamal is in those districts heavy to very heavy rainfall activity. Extremely heavy rainfall, the chances of extremely heavy rainfall means 20 centimeter or more. Puri, Khurda, Nayagar, Kalahandi districts also have the heavy to very heavy rainfall activity, and others nearby districts also have some heavy rainfall activity.
The present position of deep depression is over Northwest Bay and adjoining West Central Bay of Bengal. It is 470 km east southeast of Gopalpur. It is likely to intensify into a cyclonic storm during next 6 hours. It is likely to move west northwestward and cross North Andhra, South Odisha coast between Visakhapatnam and Gopalpur, around Kalingapatnam by evening of 26th September. This cyclonic storm will not have any direct impact over the states of West Bengal, except fishermen, which has been told that they should not venture into the sea from 25th onward till further notice. There is another system which is likely to form, that is cyclonic circulation, and it is likely to form over northeast and adjoining East Central Bay. In subsequent 24 hours it will be a low pressure area and likely to reach West Bengal coast around 29th September.